Installation tutorial for Ford Mustang digital cluster. Use a pry bar to pry open the trim panel. Disconnect the flat cable. Unscrew the 5 fixing screws. Pry open the trim panel and disconnect the flat cable. Remove the trim panel on the other side as well. Use a pry bar to pry open the trim panel. Use a pry bar to pry it open. Unscrew the fixing screws. Remove the cover plate on the other side, and then take out the digital cluster cover plate. Unscrew the 2 screws. Take out the original digital cluster of the vehicle. Disconnect the cable harness. Take out the new digital cluster. Plug in the provided USB cable and connect it to the wiring of the original vehicle. Align the digital cluster with the hole positions. Fasten the screws. Install the digital cluster cover plate. Fasten the screws on both the left and right sides. Install the upper column cover plate of the steering wheel. Connect the flat cable. Install it back onto the vehicle. Install the trim panel back. The installation is completed.